Jubin Sab Podcast!
We just finished streaming one of the best songs of the summer, Red Wine Supernova by Chapel Roan. And I just realized,
Yeah.
I was today years old, well, last week years old. She has a line there that says, back of my, blah, blah, blah. I heard you like magic. I've got a wand and a rabbit.
Yeah. See Jordan.
What?
See...
You know what that means?
I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I had a baller. I wish I had a habit and a hat and a cat.
No, Jim, a wand and a rabbit. Those are types of vibrators.
Ah. Okay.
Well, now you know. What are you talking about?
Montel Jordan.
Anong kanta ni Montel Jordan?
I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. I wish I had a rabbit and a hat and a collar.
Ganun ba?
Yeah.
Laugh trip. Okay.
So,
Episode title, I've got a wand and a rabbit.
so what we've been doing, by the way, before we start, please go to playback.tv/JubinSab. You don't have to join the live show.
Mm-hmm.
Just be a member and you're supporting the pod.
Yes.
Yeah.
Welcome. And we've got
So we're gonna do the news today.
Well, when I
ito.
woke up,
Huh?
I saw that Joe Biden has COVID. Yeah.
Okay.
And then, ano yun, with the tragic thing about it, I mean, of course, it's sad that he's sick, but yun nga, so people are saying, according to him, he said if he was diagnosed with a medical condition, then he would consider stepping down. And biglang he's walking back on it. He's saying no. He's just gonna isolate for a bit. And then some intern at his office tweeted, "I'm sick," when the news broke. "I'm sick." Pero you know what the kids do today, right? Like they'll say like, "I hate you." Tapos may kasunod na, "for not inviting me to join you." Ganon, para may ganong bawi. So yung kanya was, "I'm sick." And then yung next was of Elon Musk and other people who are trying to buy the whatever. I don't know, but it's just like, who thought of this? Who greenlit this? Okay?
So at least sabi, this is since we're doing this daily thing na nga. Wag na tayo bawal na nga mag-doom scroll in the morning.
Oo nga
Ito na yung doom scroll natin.
Oo nga eh.
And again, it's filtered in a community. So magsabay-sabay tayo mag doom scroll. So what does it say?
He said, "I'm sick." And then he replied, "of Elon Musk and his rich buddies trying to buy this election. And if you agree, pitch in here." It's like, which Gen Z thought of this? Like,
Pero grabe, 212 million views. Okay.
Trending. What else is happening? Oh, may Emmy nominations na.
Yun nga.
So we could talk about this because grabe, when Jim and I were at Big Fuzz the other night, and parang it's the first time we saw other adults in a long time na hindi work related. Well, kind of work related. But it was fun because we just kept talking about like shows we're watching, what we've been watching, and it was really fun.
Nakakatawa kasi I've been deep diving on The Bear. Kasi I'm getting ready for rewatching it.
Fun.
Getting ready for season 2. Grabe talaga.
Season 1? Tapos ka na season 1?
Ganda talaga, grabe.
Love Lip.
Grabe. I'm in a Carmi mode. Like last night, I couldn't sleep because I was just thinking, where can I buy the perfect white shirt?
I thought you were contemplating getting tats. You don't have a tattoo.
Yeah, malagay kaya ako dito.
Let's get a tattoo together.
The Bear.
When we reach how many subscribers, pa-tattoo tayo.
Whoa.
Game? Wag nyo kami i-dare.
Natatakot ako eh.
Bakit? Why?
Natatakot ako na masakit eh.
Ano ba? Hindi siya masakit. Yuck. Feeling. Ano ba? Like, it's nothing.
Pero, I mean,
I've got
like,
2 tattoos. And
I don't know. Maybe it's my Christian or my Roman Catholic guilt.
What?
Attacking me.
Wait lang. What
ano ba yung mga misconceptions about tattoos? Number 1 is that it's you can't donate blood. That's not true.
Supposedly not true, but like it's different in every hospital.
Really? So like there are hospitals that say we won't accept your blood because there's a tattoo?
I have donated blood.
Oh.
Can't remember na kung ano nang Parang alam ko kasi, ang mahirap dito, what I think should happen is, kailangan may certification ka kung saan ka nagpa-tattoo. Diba? Kasi gets ko kapag like, just on the street, it's hard because you could contract something, right? But if it's like a certified, like what, I got my tattoos at PNP Tattoo, and they're very, clean there, and gets mo? So parang if I had a card that said like, actually, I got these tattoos at a clean place, or like, I don't know. Just,
do they do that?
That's my blood.
May ganun ba?
Walang ganun.
Walang ganun.
Walang regulation. I don't know. Or not that I know of. But, yeah. Mga lola, demonyo ka kapag meron kang tattoo. And then, also, I remember my dad, because he's got a lot of tattoos, every time he would go to, because he would tour the world, and he would always have to wear long sleeves, take off his earrings when he goes to the embassy to try to get a visa. Because ganun yan, job interviews, you gotta cover your tattoos. I think it's kind of parang we've seen it. We've made a stereotype of prison time and tattoos.
Ano na ba yung official stance ni mom doon?
The tattoo?
Your mom, yeah, kasi she has tattoos.
She's never said anything about my tattoo. I mean, she encourages. Like, she's never said no.
I thought there was a time that she said, "Don't get a tattoo."
No.
Di ba?
No.
Okay.
What
tattoo would we get?
Maybe like
Chapel Roan.
A wand and a rabbit.
Or red wine. Ikaw red wine. Ako supernova.
Ako champagne, ikaw red wine. Labo.
Ako lalagay ko sa akin na Carmi.
The bear.
The bear.
It's a bear. Joey Bear.
Joey Bear.
I could get a tattoo of Joey Bear. Okay, anyway.
Game ako.
Well, as this is from our correspondent Miko Castellano, our regular. Sabi niya, well, as per international blood bank regulations, 1 year after new tattoo, but some facilities opt to not accept pag may tattoos. Pero yun nga like, who vouches for it na it's been a year if you don't have like a...
What if ganito sabi? What if...
Proof of it.
What if if we hit 2,000 members on Playback, let's get a Luna tattoo.
Oh, I like that.
You want?
Like a moon?
Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah. Let's do ilan?
Pero grabe, 2,000.
Okay, game.
Pero grabe, crucial yung... Grabe, like, natatakot ako eh. Kasi
just thinking about it?
Hindi, kasi parang I can't even commit to my PlayStation game when I make a character. Like, ito na yung magiging itsura niya. Is he gonna be a black dude or a white girl? It takes me forever. And then when I do it, I immediately, it's like, dapat na ganun ako.
Ako naman, nasa-stress ako kasi lagi akong like, bilis na kasi gusto ko na maglaro.
Ganun ba?
Pero like, naiinis ako kasi I enjoy fixing the appearance. Pero I'm like criticizing myself na parang ang tagal. Bilisan mo kasi you're losing time instead of actually playing the game. You're fixing the appearance. Stop it.
Wait, sa Sims ba? You can keep changing the face?
Yeah.
You can?
Yes.
Sa Sims?
Yes. Especially the
newer
ones.
Yung itsura niya?
Yes. As in, you can even make it wider, and then up to like even the bridge of the nose and as in, sobrang intense na
Pero
siya.
yung mga kunwari yung mga, ano tawag dito? Yung mga cyberpunk.
Yeah.
Pwede iba.
Yes. Ang ganda pa doon kasi grabe yung, oh my gosh, Jim! Ang sakit ko lang hindi nagalaro ng cyberpunk, nabalik tuloy ako.
Ako naman gusto ko mag-Sims.
Should I play it again?
Gusto ko mag-Sims.
Gusto ko mag-cyberpunk.
Sarap mag-Sims.
Gumagana pa kaya yung mga cheat codes?
Oo naman.
Clapaucious?
Grabe, I would love...
Motherload?
I just like imagine, like, in a lifetime ago, in our lifetimes,
in a
lifetime ago, we could literally play Sims the whole day.
Absolutely.
The whole day.
When we were in grade school.
Grabe.
That's all you would do, right?
I would do that the whole...
And asar ako kasi nililimit yung computer time.
Hanapin ko na.
Now I know how my kids feel.
Did they kill na all the Tumblr, pages?
I don't know.
Kasi nga yung Tumblr ko nga before
Puro
was
Sims?
puro mga Sims uploads.
Psycho.
Okay, news.
Okay. You know what would be fun if we make a Sims tapos gawin natin yung recreate mo yung characters ng House of the Dragon tapos laruin mo.
Pwede.
Tapos mag-start ka ng war.
Uy.
Ano ba yun?
Uy.
Sasampalin mo.
Yun, that's the one thing I wish. Bakit hindi gawin ng Sims na collab with, let's say, Warcraft? Diba?
But like, I don't know.
No. Have the gameplay. Parang, Sims should have a gameplay or parang, I can't believe after all these years na walang create a house and then magkakaroon talaga ng, oh my God, like, let's say, the cartel moved into your neighborhood.
That's pretty.
Diba?
Parang may story.
How do you protect your business? Ganda nun. Like shit, diba? Parang, oh fuck, kailangan ko mag-ipon para bayaran.
Parating yung cartel tapos, sul!
Jump into his arms. Kailangan mo bayaran yung mayor.
Stig.
Yung love na love ko talaga yung what I would do is like, I'd have a baby, I have a kid, diba? And then, what I do is I have a friend over. And then I try my best, like, spamming, like, talk, play guitar, talk, feed, ganyan. Talk, play guitar. And then parang, ba't wala pa rin kiss?
With the kid in there?
With the mom. And then the mom is like,
jealous mode. Pinaka-nakakasar pag may guest ka tapos parang inayos mo yung bahay mo. May dining table ka and everything. Tapos after nyo kumain, lalagay niyo yung plato sa sahig. Gusto ko kumuha ng baril.
Drip. Oo nga.
Or pupunta sa banyo doon niya huhugasan.
Pero guys, I know I've talked about this now on the pod, but my favorite thing talaga, sabi, is really yung prisoners. So yung have a guest or I throw.
That was just the classic pool.
You know what? I just want to play just to do this again. I don't know why. Is there something wrong with me na?
Just a little bit.
Really?
I mean, like it's a
everyone does that naman eh. Everyone does that. So anyway, what I'm talking about is like when you have a guest. So parang, hi, talk. Biglang, chug, God mode. Build wall.
Alam mo yung
tas kinakareer ko
best music ever, build mode.
Yeah. Sarap.
You know what? You wanna concentrate and work? Put on the build mode music of The Sims.
Ganda. So anyway, what I would do is wall. Tas kakaririn ko talaga. I like at the start, like I try my best to make it. Hindi ko pa ginagawang ganon. Hindi pa siya prisoners. So parang I kind of ease.
You just keep them there.
I ease them in. So like my TV, my bed, my bathtub.
But they can't leave.
They can't leave.
So they are prisoners.
And ako like, I lol. Like mag-isa lang ako na para, like talagang siya parang, tapos parang makikita mo siya nag-TV na or nagluluto. Tapos yung gagawin ko, yung favorite ko, when I'm like kind of getting bored na, like day 20, gagawin ko, I'm gonna put the stove. And then like sa tabi ng stove, mga wooden tables and chairs.
To start a fire? What if you put a fire alarm tapos dumating yung fire truck tapos hindi sila makapasok?
I think ginagawa ko yun. I think ganun nga nangyayari. Like ganun yung mga firemen. Like, isa pa palang ginagawa ko sabi. Isa pa, pool, they're swimming, biglang poot! Tanggal yung...
Yeah, that's the classic one.
Yeah, tanggal yung stairs.
Pagod na sila. Wawa naman. Parang, di ba kayo nag-swimming lessons? Just go.
And then yung isa ko, yung talagang brutal, is yung square. It's a square room.
Okay.
Literally, like, kasha lang siya doon. Tapos puro plates. Ano yung Black Mirror episode na... Something about Black Mirror na gano'n eh. Na parang, what if meron nga talagang
nagko-control.
Sa may Black Mirror? Si Jesse Plemons ata.
What if we are, what if this is a video game? That's pretty...
So, I just want to share.
Wait lang, sorry. Di ba ako sa Sims? I have something else to say. The scariest sound in our childhood is the sa ating yung burglar. Tapos wala kang magawa. Or like the
or Death.
Repo.
Si Death.
Si Grim Reaper.
Yeah. Pag ganun, wala ka na magagawa, di ba?
Wala. You just have to watch. Kasi ayaw mong bayaran yung alarm.
Oo nga.
Magkano lang yung alarm, tapos wala. You put your house
pero Sarap mag-Sims, sabi.
Which would be a good segue to if you wanted to talk about our house break-in
Pwede.
experience or katamad.
Mm.
Let's do that next.
Like, well, ano pala guys, to the playbackers, meron ba for Mac? Can you do Sims? I want to play Sims.
I think you can if you parang
meron
jailbreak
daw.
mode or something, or I don't know.
Is Gen Z, is that Gen Z?
Pwede ka
correspondent?
mag-beg sa Grim Reaper pero not effective.
Oh, Mac.
lagi.
So, Princess,
Oh.
talagang ano siya, legit na like Sims, OG Sims?
I have the CDs.
Okay, game. Pero how will I do it with the...
Maybe we could stream it on playback.
I'll do it at night na lang. Paggabi na lang, I'll do it
There's
paggabi.
no time. Okay. Game.
Sige, sige. Oo nga, pwede. I can do it on playback.
Steam?
Steam, mukhang Steam nga. Ay, EA. EA app.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
So, can I move on?
Yeah, sure.
Okay lang?
Okay.
So the book that I'm reading,
Okay.
parang
What is it called again?
Hard Rain Falling.
Hard Rain Falling.
Apparently, it's what all the...
When did it come out?
I don't know. It's apparent. Can you check? It's apparently like a cult classic.
Who's the author?
Don something.
Okay.
Don Zambarano.
Don Carpenter.
Ah.
Tatay ni Sabrina. 1966
Yeah,
crime
yeah.
novel. Ooh.
So it's and I didn't read anything about it. The synopsis na attack lang ako ng book talk,
Love.
book reels, mga the 5 books, whatever. So there's this guy that I follow nga.
Ay, this is my influencer.
In fairness naman, this guy, nadali na ako guys. Ilang beses na ako nadali ng mga ibang book talk na. Yung iba naman obviously is like, shut the fuck up.
Yeah, yung mga ano.
Mema ka.
Yung mga
Tangina
alam mo
mo.
hindi binasa.
Oh.
Nakita lang niya yung reels.
Okay,
ng
this
iba.
book I've read 10 times. Ernest Hemingway. Ulul. Tangina mo. Sorry.
Jim, we
Sorry. Spotify listeners, I'm so sorry. Sab told me not to do the
Can't do
explosive.
that.
Oo nga eh.
Ay,
Anyway.
Okay. How is
So,
it?
yung what I love about this book, and the last book that Sab and I read, di pala.
All fours?
I read another book pa pala after that.
Grabe, sobrang-
So yung All Fours,
Ganda, that's a really great.
parang ito na yung bagong bet kong mga type of books. Like, slow,
Yeah.
and then there are big turns.
Yeah.
And it's so casual in how it's done.
Is it casual now?
Ako kasi, I'm not as well read as Sab. So,
No, that's not true. Not lately.
well, anyway.
When I became a mother, I just could not.
Anyway, I think first time ko to eh. Kasi kwan, like Harry Potter, parang like, you know, you're a wizard, Harry.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Oh, biglang may boom, may bang, ganon, gets? Ito, literally, like, I love these books. Itong All Fours, itong Hard Rain Falling, like, wala akong kamalay-malay, and it's all world building throughout the whole
Yeah.
book. And then biglang one crazy narrative
Yeah.
thing na,
Yeah.
kaya hindi ako makatulog kagabi. I was like,
Oh my gosh,
I
I,
had
want to
to-
read it.
I had to go back to
Talaga to
pages.
si
I had to
influencer.
go back a few pages. Like sometimes nga I want to wake up Sam and like, but you don't read it. Pero I'm like, can you please, can you read this and tama ba pagkaintindi ko?
Yeah.
Kasi parang, what the hell?
Yeah.
And nakakatawa kasi like obviously like when we watch a show and it requires a lot of art and brain power. I ask Sab like, so why like ang ganda? That's my first impression, right? Like what an ending.
Uh,
And then to validate my feelings. Ano ibig sabihin nun, sabi? Di ba?
do you appreciate my
Naman.
insight?
In fair.
Ako lagi yung mga, well, I feel like it's my creative writing background, which we had to do a lot of art studies in our first and second year. Overthinking everything. The art,
Actually, you know what? I think
in Greece with the whatever.
I think studying in Araneo,
In the Arneo.
I think it forced me to be to be an overthinker nga. Kasi nga, I did take a lot of those classes. Like, si Nick something.
Joaquin?
No. Si Nick whatever. He's like some cool film dude, teacher. A long time.
Okay.
He made me watch like one of the, like in that class, like I watched like ang ganda, ang diverse ng options. Like, I watched Kite Runner.
I watched that.
First time ako napapunta.
Wait, weren't we classmates in that class?
Hindi.
We were.
Hindi.
I watched Kite Runner in the class na
iba
yung ganon.
Yeah. Pero iba. Okay. I would know.
Ay. Baka magkaibang semester tayo.
Yeah, pero I would definitely know.
Yakang landi mo. You would have known if I was your classmate?
Oo naman.
Labo. Anyway.
Okay. Ayun.
Nick Jonas.
Labo. Sorry. Steph, to clarify, hindi ko minura si Ernest Hemingway. Minumura ko si Book Talkers.
You should why don't you make a reel? Once we reach 500 playbackers, you will make a book talk reel. Okay? Why haven't we reached 500? Anyway.
Pero ilan na ba? Anyway. So, 2,000 ba si, tattoo?
Yeah.
Or what if lagay natin, girl with the...
Girl with the dragon.
Or I'm with the... Kasi ikaw may tattoo ka ng dragon. So ako, my tattoo is I'm with the... Tapos may arrow. Tapos ikaw, may dragon.
Or what if I had like Khaleesi's face? Sasabihin niya sa akin parang, ano yan? It's the girl with the dragon. Na tattoo.
Hindi.
No.
Mas yung akin.
Mark.
So, I do want to ask, and this is something that Sav and I talked about, like, and again, obviously, I'm going, si Purdue nandun sa,
sa outline natin. Ano rin namang i-move to next week? Ano bang i-move natin to next week?
Sige, si Purdue, like,
Rico Blanco and Maurice Racal breakup. Never pinag-uusapan.
I mean, malibag pala today.
Yeah. But about yung Emmy nominations, anyari?
But anyway, The Bear. Oh, The Bear. I love The Bear.
So, ito na nga. Outstanding comedy series game. Abbott Elementary. I really enjoyed that.
I want to try it again.
Season 1 ata tinapos ko. The Bear.
Yeah.
Curb Your Enthusiasm. We haven't watched the latest one.
Itatry natin ibudol yung mga kailangan pwede natin mabudol, okay?
Hacks, I've seen season 1. I liked it.
It's on HBO Go. Curb, again, it's not for the faint of heart, but it's one of the funniest things ever, and it's honestly, it's like I love it because it's like an expose on the stupidity of humanity in the eyes of through the eyes
of white people. Only Murders in the Building. Okay naman siya.
I guess
it's kind of it's old school comedy. Yung feeling.
I guess ako
Sino ba yan mabako? That was not me for the Spotify list.
Hindi kasi ganun ka talaga mag-seize eh.
Trying not to wake the kids. Okay, go.
Only Murders in the Building, I guess parang nasa ibang life stage now.
Ako, I appreciate Steve Martin pa rin.
I guess extremes ako. First of all, I am the ultimate
what?
Steve Martin fan.
You are?
Father of the Bride, The Jerk. But Sergeant Bilko, my favorite movie of all time.
You don't remember watching that?
It's the funniest movie of all time.
Okay, I'm gonna rewatch that.
It is the funniest movie of all time. Sergeant Bilko.
Steve Martin is so funny. I want to read his book. He has a book.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, ito sabi. I guess what
we're talking about only Murders in the Building.
Yeah, parang extremes lang.
Okay.
So like I want major cartel shooting drama series or super Curb Your Enthusiasm stupid comedy.
Okay.
I guess when it comes to comedy, like, kaya I can't. Ang lab mo nga eh. Like that's why I didn't like ano yun? Ted Lasso. Ano ko, parang
it was nice and
siguro
wholesome.
parang I think life is good na hindi ko masyadong kailangan ng feel good. Na steady, gets mo? Like you know how like I didn't like which again I apologize. I'm gonna try pa. Ano yun yung heaven thing?
Oh my gosh.
Reservation?
Good Place?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess yung ganung pero kasi
that one is deep.
The difference kasi with like what I love yung The Office and Parks. Those were like yun talagang lol eh. I need to lol.
Yeah.
So if you're not gonna make me lol, don't make stuff na.
No, but most of the time kasi you have to stay with it to start lolling. And that's how it was for me. It's a Good Place.
So Good Place naglo-lol ka?
Yeah.
I never saw you lol in Good Place.
What, you're watching me as I'm watching?
Schitt's Creek.
Napalol
ako doon.
Bebe.
Okay, what else?
Schitt's Creek is so funny.
So that's comedy, drama.
Wait, meron pa. Wait. Palm Royale, I've never seen that. Reservation Dogs, I think I saw like one episode. We saw Reservation Dogs. One episode.
Hindi
natin natuloy.
We finished it.
What?
Well,
the season?
Mga 4 episodes.
Ako hindi. What We Do in the Shadows, we watched one, right? That was funny. I'm gonna start watching that.
So What We Do in the Shadows is like a mockumentary about
that's like The Office, but like vampires
in modern society. Which
so funny.
I would love to continue watching.
Okay. Pero saan mo panoorin yun?
Ha?
Kailangan kasi kaya hindi tayo makanood kasi
Disney
kailangan
Plus.
It's on Disney Plus.
It's on Disney Plus. Actually, marami dyan Disney Plus. Reservation Dogs, Disney Plus.
Oh, really?
Only Murders, Disney Plus.
Only Murders, I feel like it's more like comedy na may pagka Pretty Little Liars na parang it's like not for you, gets? Kasi, I know, and I think don't shoot us, but we're not the biggest Selena fans.
I don't know what she is.
Okay, anyway. Next, outstanding drama series, The Crown. I haven't read yung latest episode. Ano yung latest season? Hindi ko pa napaparoon yung latest season.
Can you...
Fallout, gusto ko panoorin.
Fallout,
Let's get into that.
on Amazon Prime. Yung The Crown though, parang bentahan mo nga ako dyan. Kasi why do I want to watch... Why would I want to watch like a bunch of rich, unnecessary people?
I mean, I don't know. I watched Downton Abbey and I loved it.
Mas G ako dun. But I don't...
The Crown, ang ganda kasi it's partly fiction but partly historical. So it's actually...
okay, sige.
You know, you get to know the characters.
Ano tong The
Gilded Age? I don't know. I've never heard of that.
The Morning Show.
I rewatched it and I got up to date. Love it.
Musta? Maganda?
Love it.
Really?
Yep, love it.
Really?
Yep,
I should try it again.
Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Ang saya.
Yeah.
Kailangan natin ituloy yun.
Tinuloy ko. Pinag-usapan natin na ituloy na
Pero grabe yung chemistry nila. My gosh.
Sobrang cute.
Love.
Mr. and Mrs. Smith, in fairness, that surprised us.
Do you know that she is married? Maya Erskine, the girl from Mrs. Smith. She is married to the son of Jack in Will and Grace. Remember the son of Jack?
Si Just Jack?
Yes, si Just Jack. Meron siyang anak, di ba? The cute boy, little boy.
Si Just Jack.
Yan yung asawa niya.
Siya si di ba? Ano yun? Si Percy Thunder?
No, you keep saying that. No. Is he? Percy Jackson? Percy Thunder. Ang cute ni Percy Jackson. Anong pangalan niya?
Si We Are Infinite.
Si Wallflower?
So I'm gonna read some stuff lang. Ali, of course, have you watched Fleabag? Yes. It's yan, napalol ako.
Yes.
Grabe.
I can't rewatch that because it makes me so sad.
Ay, 500 pala. 500 na pala yung Fleabagers.
Ano gagawin? Gagawa ka ng book talk. Okay, next is Shogun. Hindi pa naman, we haven't gotten into it. I wanna get into that.
Sige, pwede bang 1,000 before I do the book talk?
1,000 lang.
Yeah, I'll do a book talk. 1,000.
Daya naman ito. Slow Horses, 3 Body Problem. Hindi pa naman
okay na yan.
Baby Reindeer, I watched it. So good. Disturbing.
Bakit pala yun ba yung documentary ba yun?
No. It's fiction. No, sorry. It's not fiction. It's based, the actor is the one who made it, and it's based on his life. And he's such a good actor. And then the actress in the film, in the series, is also really good.
Bakit hindi mo ako pinush na i-watch yun?
Because the
I-watch
first
yun,
two,
sorry.
yung first 2 episodes, sabi ko, Jim, panoodin mo, sobrang laugh trip or good vibes, or like sobrang, biglang ng 3rd episode, I was like, actually, Jim, it's really dark. So,
pero
if you wanna
dark is
skip
okay, pero hindi siya triggering.
I mean,
Basta anything hospital,
wala,
that's
walang
what I
ganun.
don't like.
Pero it's like, trigger warning, it's like sexual assault,
Mhm, mhm.
and yeah, it gets a little like, like sad.
Okay.
But great series.
Yung Three Body Problem apparently. So si My Real Bookstagram influencer, si Maps. Lagi kami
Si
nagchat
Myrene,
eh. Myrene of Sandwich. She said that that was the book that she read, and it's on Netflix and it's great.
Oh, it's based on a book.
Yeah. I have no idea what it's about. Is that Korean? I don't know.
We talked about that on the pod, remember?
Oh my God, na-nominate si Ayo of the Bear. I love her so much.
She's so cute.
Na-nominate
and lovable.
si wow, hindi na-nominate si Beef. Si Sausage.
Sino yun?
Si Sausage. Si Carmi.
Huh?
Yeah.
Bakit
It
di siya
was only
nominated?
Richie and yeah, wala nga.
Wow.
Mm.
Donald Glover is nominated. So anyway, I want to watch Fallout. I want to watch everything. Okay. Sabi ni Trisha nominated siya. Bakit iba siya? Lead actor. Lead kasi.
Saan siya?
Comedy siya eh. Supporting to. Saan yung lead actor?
Oo nga, parang imposible naman hindi siya man-nominate.
Hindi ko mahanap. Pero okay, nominated si Carmi.
Okay. Yan.
Ito.
Okay.
Jeremy Allen White.
Ano lang. So,
do you know that? So si Jeremy Allen White, si Carmi of The Bear, he is he still currently dating, what's her name? Rosalia? I don't know. But apparently, nakakatawa kasi when I first followed him, I also followed his wife, his ex-wife. So,
who's also an actress, diba?
She's gorgeous.
Oh.
Biglang nung nag-season 2 na yung The Bear, biglang may it was Mother's Day, and then she had a post about like being a single mom. And then I was like, oh my gosh. Yeah, so sad.
Okay.
And yun yung nangyari kay what's his name? Sino yung ginagawa natin ng live pod? Yung boyfriend ni Sabrina Carpenter. Si Saltburn. Si Barry Keoghan. So he had a new baby. Parang wala pa atang 1-year-old. Dinitch niya, and then started dating Sabrina Carpenter.
Parang Joker pala siya.
Ha? Parang ano?
Joker.
Bakit?
He's Joker.
He is Joker.
He's Joker.
He was Joker.
He is Joker.
In The Batman.
He's
not what do you think about Joker 2?
Corny.
I'm gonna watch it anyway.
Can we watch the trailer now?
I'm gonna watch it anyway.
That's what,
Pero
to the pod, before
do not do Lady Gaga slander.
We're gonna watch some trailers for Playbackers. Pero before we end, to the podcast listeners, thank you for all your support. Again, if we do 2,000 members on Playback, you don't have to pay for anything. You don't have to join the live stream. Just becoming a member helps us. Helps the pod. Go to playback.tv/JimandSab. Also, JimandSab.com. I'd like to acknowledge all the Podtrons who have been constantly helping out our heroes of the month. Thank you so much.
Thanks,
and guys. What's last? Yeah. So that's it. So for all the pod people and Gen Z correspondent, end na to. Bye.
What about we have August 3, right? We'll announce that.
Okay na, end na muna.
Okay, bye.
Bye.